बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया। लोगों अलग अलग लोगों की उनकी जर्नी, उनकी कहानियाँ सुन के और उनके बारे में, और बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम अपनी इंस्पिरेशन और ना छोड़ें, और जो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करता है, जो बात जो हमारे अंदर जो एक फीलिंग है, उसको कभी ना भूलें। और कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने जो यू नो वी क्रिएट और ओन बैरियर्स, उनको हम कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें तोड़ें। वी सी बियॉन्ड आवर ओन होराइजन एंड आई थिंक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कहीं ना कहीं एक कुछ भी छोटा सा एक दिन ऐसा, हर रोज़ कुछ ऐसा करें जिससे हम किसी की मदद कर पाएँ। इट कुड बी अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस, इट कुड बी अ सिंपल हग, इट कुड बी समथिंग एज स्मॉल एज मे बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर समवन्स चाइल्ड्स एजुकेशन। कोई भी छोटे से छोटी चीज़ जो भी आप कर सकते हैं, जो भी एक थॉट जो कॉज आपको मोटिवेट करता है, उसे ना भूलें, उसके चलते कुछ उसमें करें।
I had a fantastic time. I love coming to events like this where there are such successful people here who I get to meet, share stories with, and listen to their success stories. And it's really special for me. Congratulations, Shreya, for everything you've been doing. You know that little story about the kids who are the blind kids. I do a lot of speaking at colleges and schools. I would love to come and speak to the kids you are helping out so much. And I think the point, what I'd like to say is that everybody here on this panel found peace and love and passion for what they do, and they thought long and hard, I think, about what makes them happy. And once you're happy and about what you do, you will find success. That is, I think, resonates from everybody on this planet, including myself. And I'd like to wish Radio 1 the very best for this campaign, and I'm sure it will be a huge success.
What do you say about the short campaign Express?
Right, I completely support it. That's why I'm here. I think that every successful individual on this panel, like I said, their thoughts resonate the same thing, that you have to sit back and you have to find what you love to do, and you have to find what truly brings you happiness, and success will always follow it. Nobody here, I think, started what they are successful at today because they wanted to make money at it. They started it because they love to start it. Today, when I coach kids, the happiness that a picture on my WhatsApp brings me of a kid with a medal around his neck it means so much more to me, maybe than even a trophy that I brought home when I was swimming. And that's what draws me to my work. And the money is just always comes because you love what you do. It is just part and parcel. It comes second. But passion for what you do, I think, is most important. Everybody here shares that same passion, and that's why I think this cause will be successful, because they've had people here who are promoting the cause, and they truly mean what they say, and they truly support this cause as well.
Priya, what do you say about the support around?
आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट कॉज, क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम जैसे मैंने कहा, भूल जाते हैं कि हमें इंस्पायर क्या करता है, और कभी कभी हम अपने काम में इतना खो जाते हैं, वी फॉरगेट स्मॉल प्लेजर्स। हम अपने पैशन के बारे में भूल जाते हैं। हम हमेशा कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमारे पास वक्त ही नहीं है अपने दिन से आधा घंटा निकालने का भी। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी डू दैट, टेक सम टाइम आउट फॉर सेल्फ, एंड जब हम अपने लिए वक्त निकालेंगे तभी हम औरों के लिए भी निकाल पाएंगे।
And also, both Christmas and New Year's the corner. What's your resolution? What's your plan? Both.
You go ahead first.
Well, my resolution is that hopefully I'll open more spas like Spandana in different cities, and in Bombay also many more, so that we can give employment to more visually challenged and give them a sense of dignity. My other resolution is to read a lot, travel a lot, and see different part of this world. South Africa is one of them.
Resolution and plan?
Honestly, I think 2014 has been one of my most favorite years. It's been really, really successful. So my resolution is to remain as, if not more, motivated, as passionate, and have as much love for the little things in life, the little things that really drive me to wake up in the morning and go to a coaching session or to train at my golf. And I think I just want to stay who I am for the next year as well. And I think I wish every listener at Radio 1, Shreya, yourself, very, very happy, Merry Christmas and a fantastic New Year. Thank you.
an honest answer.
Done? And look into the camera. Okay.
Just simple, how was the experience? Are you here? And how was the experience? Whole experience? What did you say about it?
Well, it's been an interesting experience. It's been really nice to share the stage with such fascinating people who've done such incredible things with their own lives. I respect all of them. Some of them I've seen, I know personally. Some of them I've seen do their own creative stuff. Some people I've worked with. So it's been really good. I think the point of this entire exercise is, I guess, the radio station, Radio 1 sees us as people who kind of stepped out on a limb to do what it is that we love to do. And maybe we could play a bit of a role in reminding people in Bombay to go out and do what they want to do, because that's really what makes you happy. The truth is, I became a musician because I love to make music, plain and simple. That's what it is. I love to make music. It makes me happy, and because it makes me happy, I keep wanting to do it over and over again. The tricky part after that is, how do you make it work for you, so that how do I make it work for me in a way that I'm not impoverished, I can pay my rent, all that kind of stuff. And if you really follow what it is that you love to do, whatever it is, it does not have to be a creative art. It does not have to be a performing art. If numbers is your thing, go into accounts. Don't become an accountant because it's the right profession to be in. Or don't become a finance guy because you can make a lot of money. I don't think those are the reasons. I think the reasons should be that it's because you love to do it. Then you will find a way to make the money come in. You will find a way to make a living doing it. Kind of like what Meera Sanyal said at the beginning, your interest, your ambition may be as modest as a Nano or as grandiose as a Porsche. That's up to you. That's your ambition. But if you do what it is that you love to do, you will find your way to it in some way or the other. If you step out and follow a profession or follow a way of life only because you think it will buy you happiness in the end, you're going to spend many days of misery and frustration in the hope of that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And we all know that the end of the rainbow has no pots of any kind. So live every day, do what it is that you love to do. I think Bob Dylan said, life is waking up in the morning and going to bed at night and doing whatever you want to do in between. That's it.
What's your upcoming project? Any new song?
Yeah, upcoming project would be, well, with Indiscreet, we just released a new single. It's a song called Thief. It's on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Indiscreet now. You can find it there. You can find it on our website, which is indiscreet.net. That's one of the things. I'm playing a lot with my acoustic trio, Whirling Kalapas, as well. So we travel, we're recording new stuff. Yeah, and I just keep making music. Right now it's season time for us. It's concert season. From October through March is when it gets really busy. So I've been all over the place. Beautiful parts of this country, Arunachal Pradesh, Rishikesh, and the cities as well. So right now it's about performing, but in 2015 there'll be new music with Whirling Kalapas, with Indiscreet, and I'll probably be doing some stuff by myself also. I also want to collaborate with a few other musicians, so I'm going to be most probably producing an album for a young upcoming singer, but more about that as I get closer to that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आज का यहाँ पर आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा और